So if you didn't know, I am at a cabin. I'll show you the setup. So you walk in and you see this door. I don't know why. You see the refrigerator. This be this the kitchen. I don't like it. That and then the bathroom. I'm not showing you the toilet. Okay? That's like the little eating area. I don't think actually. And this, please tell me why this looks like you live in jail. So, and this is my dad's bed. He hasn't cleared up yet. And then if you go up here, Slay Betty Queen. This is so cute. And it's a fan, and I will kill it, and I will smash it on the floor if I can. But I don't think I want to. I'm gonna have monster energy. Not good. So I have been sanitizing and stuff, and also this place smells like an old grandma. So I put this on. It just like helps smell in the air. It's like water vapor. So that's a little setup. And here's my outfit for today. I don't know if you already saw my outfit for the day, but I'll show you because I don't really care. So, IDK, I don't know. And I think this is coming from Athleta. My shoes are in stock. My necklace, I actually got it from my own. My hair, me mom. And my blush is from Rare Beauty. And my mascara is IDK. So, bye y'all. I'll give you an update on stuff. So, that's what I'll do. Hey guys, I'm so scared. Honestly, I kind of wish I got a better cabin. I don't like this cabin. It looks old. I wish it was like fancy new cabins. No, you get it? Oh, and this is the sanitizer I'm using. I brought this from home. So, here's my sponsors for today. Bubba. They're not actually sponsoring me, but I want them to sponsor me. And this brand. So, y'all, please sponsor me. Bubbler, please. I love Bubbler. Wait, how did that happen? Oh my god. I will jump scare. And this, I love it. Helps me every single time if I feel gross. So y'all, please sponsor me. Please, please, please. Bye y'all. See you in the next vloggy.